Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Do you remember we were doing analytical paragraphs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Quickly tell me how many paragraphs are there in analytical paragraph?
3.
3.
Very good. Which is the first one?
Introduction.
Introductory
Introductory.
paragraph.
Okay. How much do we write in that?
Ma'am, not much.
Mm. Not much. Which is the second one?
Detail.
Detailed paragraph.
Yes. What are the words we use?
Ma'am, steeply rise, sharp increase, gradual decline, steady rise.
Good, good. You also know the differences between these words?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Which is the last paragraph?
Ma'am,
Conclusion.
conclusion.
Okay. How much do we write in that?
Ma'am, only 2.
2 to 3 lines.
Okay. Do we give any reason, logic?
No,
Conclusion?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It is not needed. Which kind of paragraph writing is this?
Analytical.
Analytical paragraph.
Yes, very good. Did we do this yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see this.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, we have not done the first one.
We've not done the first one.
No, ma'am.
Acha, maybe I did it with some other section. Sorry. Good you told me. So this is a pie chart now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This shows you total recycling in
Yes, ma'am.
2018. Recycling means using old things and making something new. This is recycling. Everybody will just observe this pie chart for 2-3 minutes. Then we'll discuss one paragraph. Then side by side we'll try and write. Abhi nobody will say anything. We'll just observe this figure. Observation is very important. Observe quickly. Yes, Peter. Did you see?
Yes.
Have you observed? Now I'm giving you another 2 minutes. You will plan the introduction. You will not write. Just the planning. We'll discuss after this. Plan the introduction. Raise your hands.
Ma'am, done.
Let me see how many hands raised. Not even one. चलो कोई बात नहीं, take your time.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
What do you speak, beta?
Ma'am, done.
What do you speak?
Ma'am, done. Done.
Done to it's okay. What you have done? You have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, I had just told to plan. Chalo read.
Ma'am, the
Read what you have
given
written.
part is about the recycling the household thing that we use in our daily life.
Continue. See, he has already given you the introductory part. I told you in introductory part, we have to tell only two things. What figure is this and what is it showing you? So this was a pie chart. And this shows you recycling in 2018. That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, more children. Speak out the introductory part. There's nothing so difficult in this. Please speak.
Ma'am, can I?
Hurry up. Speak.
Ma'am, the above pie chart shows the recycling in 2018.
Perfect. Very good. That's it. That is all that was needed. Now let's prepare the detailed part. Second part. See, beta, there are so many things in this. So in these kind of paragraphs, please count. What happens is that we leave something or we forget something. So count, like hazardous is 1, miscellaneous is 2, sharp is 3. So always count and then start writing the second, that is the detailed part. Start writing. Hurry up the detailed part and raise your hands. Only 2-3 students speak out. I don't know why. Hurry up, please.
Ma'am, can we start writing in our fair copy?
Yes, beta, why not? All these students have earlier also written and posted. Hurry up, write. I want you to post on the group after that, after we discuss. I've already discussed so many examples. Now you should be able to write. Write the second paragraph, everybody. Quickly raise your hands. Everybody should try. It is nothing that you cannot do. Even if it is wrong, I'm absolutely okay with it. But you need to try. I'll only mark you present at the end if you finish your work, you post your work.
Ma'am, I have posted.
The detailed paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Just read it out for everybody. Everybody stop writing. Let's listen what she has written. Speak, beta.
From the pie chart, we can say that the paper waste is 39%, metal is 6%, plastic, metal or glass is 15%, confidential documents is 24%, branches and wood is 4%, used electronics is 3%, furniture is 1%, sharp shelter is 4%, miscellaneous is 3%, and hazardous waste is 1%.
Did she miss out on something?
Metal.
Beta, do
Metal.
comparisons also. Otherwise, word limit will not be fulfilled. You need to write 150 words. So you will have to do more. You'll have to write more in this comparison paragraph, the second one. Okay, do comparisons. This was
Okay,
more, this
ma'am.
was less.
Ma'am,
Because
may
in
I
word
tell?
just a second, because when you write your concluding paragraph, it will be just 1 line or 2 lines. So your word limit will not be fulfilled. So write more in the second paragraph. Yes, now you speak. First post, then
Ma'am, this pie chart give us detail how much different types of waste was recycled in 2018. And the waste that has been recycled least number in percentage is hazardous waste, and paper waste is the most recycled waste, and some other waste like confidential documents are 24%, plastic or metal glass is 15%, metal 6%, paper waste 39%, branches and wood 4%, used electronic waste 3%, and furniture 1%, sharp shelters 4%, miscellaneous 3%, and hazardous waste 1%. Ma'am, this much only.
she has compared also a bit. That is very important, beta. Why don't you write about maximum and minimum in this? Also write about maximum and minimum. Add on maximum was which one, because we need to keep a check on our word limit also. Now you people, those who finish the second paragraph, finish your paragraph. Write the concluding part. Others, please hurry up. Then we are going to count the words. We are going to see how many words are done. What is the word limit that we have done? That is what I'm saying. So please hurry up. So many of you have not even posted the second paragraph. Please hurry up. After you do this, post the concluding paragraph, then let's count the words. Those who've written the second paragraph, tell me, okay? The last one that you're posting, we'll read out, we'll count the words. Hurry up. Concluding paragraph does not take so much of time, my children.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, beta, read out.
From the pie chart given, it is clear that used electronic is 3%, furniture is 1%, sharp shelters is 4%, miscellaneous is 3%, hazardous waste is 1%, paper waste is 39%, metal is 6%, plastic or metal or glass is 15%, confidential document is 24%, and branches and wood is 4%. Also, the majority is of paper waste, whereas the minority is of the hazardous waste and the furniture.
Very good. This is a detailed paragraph that she's given. Now you also move on to the concluding paragraph. Hurry up, bache, hurry up, please. I want one of you who's finished to read the concluding paragraph so that we can count the words. Yes, yes. Read soon, beta. Come on, the concluding paragraph. I'm still waiting.
Ma'am, done.
Read the concluding paragraph, beta, quickly.
To conclude, there's majority of paper waste as compared to others, and the minority is of furniture and hazardous waste.
Good. So this is a conclusion, because in conclusion, we do not give any logics or reasons. Now please count your words. You have finished all the 3 paragraphs. You count your words and tell me which. Others also, hurry up, please. If you wrote in the second paragraph, post the concluding paragraph. Hurry up, please. How many words are you getting, beta, after writing all the 3 paragraphs?
I'm just counting.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I have done. May I say?
Yes, beta, please send and read also.
Ma'am, 102 words.
So that means we are less now. It should be how many words?
Around 150.
150. 150 to 200. It should not be less than 150. Try and add on something to the second paragraph. Beta, keep comparing. This was more to this was less to this. Add a little more to the second paragraph and post quickly. Hurry up, you were reading, then NJ, read, beta.
By observing, we can see that furniture and hazardous waste 1% are used electronic and miscellaneous miscellaneous 3% and sharp shelter and branches wood are 4%, conflicting document 24%, waste paper waste 39%, plastic or metal or glass 15%, and metals are 15%. And we can also say that the maximum recycling things are paper waste and conflicting document, plastic or glass, metal or glass or metal, and minimum recycling things are hazardous waste, fun and furniture are equal, and use electronics and hazardous waste are also equal in percentage, and branches and wood are sharp shelter are also equal in percentage, and metal is 6%. And by, by seeing everything, we can conclude
Very
by
good, very
seeing
good, Dhananjay. Continue.
by seeing by seeing everything, we can conclude that there
Hmm.
there there is paper way more, but on the other hand, hazardous waste and use electronic less impossible.
Good. Very good, very good. Now, after conclusion, please count the words. Hurry up, conclusion, and then count the words. See, beta, so few students speak in your class. Hurry up, others. Hurry up, please. Who's going to speak now? Quickly tell me. Hurry up, I'm still waiting. Count your words, Dhananjay. Hurry up, I want to know the words also.
Ma'am, 136.
That means we are short of words now. How much should be minimum?
Ma'am, 150 words.
Yes, it should be 150. Add a few more words to the second paragraph because ortho we cannot add anyway.
Okay.
Okay, quickly add on. Very good, Beta. So few of you are trying. You don't understand. This is class 10th, Beta. Like this, it will not work out. Hurry up, Beta. What are others doing?
Ma'am, I have added little bit more to the second paragraph as you said. So, ma'am, can I?
Okay. Now, how many words we have? You read out first, and we'll count the words. Read. Let me see what you've added, Beta.
If we compare paper waste to the confidential documents, then we can say the majorities of the paper waste and even the paper waste is not only more. If we compare it with the confidential document, it is even more from all of the recycling products. Now, if we compare use electronics with miscellaneous, then we can say that both are equal in recycling. Even furniture and hazardous waste are equal, and also branches and wood and sharp shelters are equal. If we compare metal with the plastic or metal or glass, then the majority is of plastic or metal or glass.
See how nicely, with comparison, she has tried to increase the word limits. Now, how many words we have, Beta?
I'm just counting. I have not counted yet.
Okay, count please. Dhananjay, you've also added more words.
Yes, ma'am, adding.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Speak out, beta.
Ma'am, 196 words.
Now it is perfect. 150 to 200, we've reached the perfect word limit. Yes, Dhananjay, you speak out and tell me how many words now.
Ma'am, ma'am, by observing we can by observing we can say that for furniture and hazardous waste 1%, use electronics and miscellaneous miscellaneous 3%, and sharp shelter and branches wood are 4%, confidential documents are 24%, paper waste 39%, plastic or metal or glass 15%, 15%,
Very good.
and metals are 6%. And we can also say that the maximum recycling of
Yes, yes. Try beta.
maximum recycling things maximum recycling things are paper waste, confidential 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 document, plastic or paper waste, or metal or glass. And the minimum recycling things are hazardous waste, furniture are equal, and use electronics and use electronics and branch use electronics and hazardous waste are equal.
Good.
Branches and woods
Approximately. Mhm.
and sharpened shelters are equal in percentage, and metals are 6%.
Good. Now how many words we have?
So paper waste more than hazardous waste and use electronics. So we can also say that the paper waste is sharply increasing. By seeing everything, we can we can conclude that there is paper waste more in percentage. On the other hand, hazardous waste and use for electronics are
So how many words we have total now? Count. Let's see how many words he has now.
Ma'am, can we send after the classes?
Why not? Why not? But if you have written something, please read out. If you have written, read out, please.
By our observation, we can say that paper waste is 39%, metal is 6%, plastic or metal or glass is 15%, confidential document is 24%, branches and wood is 4%, used electronics is 3%, furniture is 1%, sharp shelters is 4%. Uh, the maximum recycling is
ma'am.
paper waste then is 39%, and minimum recycling that things are furniture that is 1%, and hazard waste that is also 1%. If we
Ma'am,
compare plastic or if we compare confidential documents and plastic waste, we can clearly see that plastic waste is more.
ma'am,
Very good. Can we have the number of words from you people?
Ma'am, now the number of words is 164.
Perfect. It's fine. It should be more than 150, but less than 200. You write your conclusion now. Good, good. The detailed paragraph is good. Now, the concluding paragraph I'm waiting for. Only 3-4 students are active in the class. Only those students who speak, write, and post, they will be marked present. I'm telling you. It's a writing class, creative writing. You cannot just join by namesake and then disappear after this. This is not possible. Word limit is going fine now. Hurry up, hurry up. The concluding paragraph. Some of you have written the detail one, conclusion is left. Write fast, post.